Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wargita Targalu Ciamis, my name is Anissa Wida and I will be your presenter for this week's Warta Ciamis. For a few minutes onwards, I will be revealing some of the latest news regarding Ciamis Regency's activities for the past week. Here is the full news. Ciamis Regency supports the 2025 World Pharmacist Day commemoration. Think Health, Think Pharmacist. In commemoration of World Pharmacist Day 2025, the Indonesian Pharmacists Association and the Indonesian Pharmaceutical Experts Association of Ciamis Regency organized an event themed Think Health, Think Pharmacist at Ciamis Community Health Center on Saturday, October 18, 2025. The region of Ciamis, represented by the Secretary of Health Office Ilma Yasa, expressed its appreciation for the successful organization of the event. In his remarks, the region emphasized that pharmacists play a vital role as the front line in healthcare services. Ciamis Region Herdiat Sunaria reviews mass circumcisions and anti-bullying campaign during the Abdi Negeri Nganjang Kawarga program. Ciamis Region Herdiat Sunaria once again reached out directly to the community through a series of activities under the Abdi Negeri Nganjang Kawarga program held on Friday, October 17, 2025. During the event, the region reviewed several public service activities designed to bring the government closer to the people, ranging from health and administrative services to social education initiatives. After visiting Puskesmas Cisaga, the region continued to the main venue of the Abdi Negeri Nganjang Kawarga program, an initiative by the West Java governor aimed at bringing various public services closer to the community, held at the Karangkemulian rest area. Grand finale of Abdi Negeri Nganjang Kawarga celebrated with great enthusiasm. Ciamis region delighted that the West Java government can meet residents directly. The grand finale of the 24th edition of the Abdi Negeri Nganjang Kawarga program, organized by the West Java Provincial Government, was held in a festive atmosphere at the Karangkemulian rest area, Cijengjing District, on Saturday night, October 18, 2025. The program, initiated by Governor Deddy Mulyadi, aims to bring public services closer to the community by engaging in direct interaction and dialogue with residents across various regions in West Java. On this occasion, Ciamis Region Herdiat Sunaria expressed his appreciation and gratitude to the West Java Provincial Government, especially to Governor Deddy Mulyadi for organizing an event that he considered highly beneficial for the people of Ciamis. Not just funds, but a trust. The Ciamis Regency government educates village head on managing finances with integrity. The Ciamis Regency government continues to strengthen its commitment to building clean and integrity-based village financial governments. This commitment was realized through the socialization on village financial management accountability held in collaboration with the Audit Board of Indonesia and the House of Representatives. The event took place at the Kiai Haji Irfan Hilmi building on Monday, October 20, 2025, attended by all village heads across Ciamis Regency. Carrying the theme Accountability in Village Financial Management, the activity aimed to provide village heads with a deeper understanding of the importance of managing village funds, not only in accordance with regulations, but also grounded in moral values and public responsibility. In a written address delivered by the head of Community and Village Empowerment Office, Asep Halid, on behalf of the region of Ciamis, it was emphasized that village financial management must be based on the principles of transparency, accountability, participation, orderliness, and budget discipline, as stipulated in the Ministry of Home Affairs Regulation, Permendagri number 20 of 2018. Ciamis Regency Government and Regional House of Representatives agree on the 2026 budget policy and provisional budget ceiling priorities. The Ciamis Regency Government and the Regional House of Representatives of Ciamis Regency held a plenary meeting to establish a joint agreement on the draft general budget policy and the provisional budget ceiling and priorities for the 2026 fiscal year. The meeting took place at the Tumenggung Wiradikusuma Hall, Ciamis DPRD building on Monday, October 20, 2025. In his remarks, Regent Herdiat expressed his appreciation and gratitude to the leadership and all members of the DPRD of Ciamis Regency for their good cooperation throughout the discussion process of the KUA and PPAS drafts, which ultimately led to a joint agreement. Free cataract surgery by PLN helps Ciamis residents. Regent Herdiat extends high appreciation. In commemoration of the 80th National Electricity Day, PT PLN Central Java Transmission Unit organized a social service activity in the form of free cataract surgery for residents of Ciamis Regency. In his remarks, Regent Herdiat expressed his deepest gratitude and highest appreciation to PT PLN UIT JBT for its contribution to the people of Tatargalu Ciamis. He stated that this activity is highly meaningful, especially amid the current regional financial condition, which is facing a budget deficit. National Santri Day celebration in Ciamis is spectacular. Region hopes Santri continue to be the nation's front line. The National Santri Day celebration in Ciamis Regency was held in a spectacular yet solemn manner by thousands of Santri at the Ciamis Islamic Center courtyard on Tuesday, October 22, 2025. Around 9,000 Santri from Islamic boarding schools across Ciamis Regency filled the Islamic Center courtyard, enlivening the celebration of National Santri Day. In his remarks, Regent Herdiat extended his greetings and congratulations to all Santri attending the event. He stated that the commemoration of National Santri Day serves as a moment to honor the struggle of Santri in gaining and defending the nation's independence, emphasizing that the continued presence is expected to remain at the forefront in safeguarding and preserving the unity of the nation. Region of Ciamis Hadiah Sunaria invites Santri to guide Indonesia towards a civilized world. The courtyard of Ciamis Regency Hall was filled with a lively yet solemn atmosphere on Wednesday morning, on October 22, 2025. Hundreds of Santri and Santria from various Islamic boarding schools across Tatargalu Ciamis gathered to take part in the National Santri Day 2025 ceremony organized by the Ciamis Regency government. This year's National Santri Day carried the theme Guarding an Independent Indonesia Towards a Civilized World. The theme serves as a reminder that Santri bear a great responsibility, not only to uphold religious values, but also to play an active role in building a progressive and dignified national civilization. Reflecting on the 2025 Santri Day theme, the region emphasized that the Santri must stand at the forefront as drivers of progress in the modern era. He also urged Santri to be ready to face the challenges of the times without abandoning the noble values of the Pesantren tradition. Concluding his remarks, Regent Herdiat expressed his hope that Santri will continue to preserve Pesantren traditions while embracing the advancement of the modern world. Region of Ciamis welcomes the Kirab Resolusi Jihad procession, emphasized the spirit of Santri in safeguarding the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. Region of Ciamis Herdiat Sunaria personally welcomed the Kirab Resolusi Jihad delegation of the Ciamis branch of Nahdlatul Ulama at the courtyard of Ciamis Regency Hall on Wednesday, October 22, 2025. The procession covered a route from Pamarican district to the region's hall, carrying the spirit of struggle and nationalism inherited from the ulama and santri who fought for Indonesia's independence. In his remarks, Regent Herdiat Sunaria warmly welcomed all Kirab participants who had completed the meaningful journey. He stated that this activity was not merely ceremonial, but a moment to reaffirm the spirit of struggle, nationalism, ukhuwah Islamiyah, and ukhuwah Wataniyah. Regent Herdiat reaffirms Ciamis' commitment to supporting national food security through the 2025 Livestock and Fish Expo. The Ciamis Regency government once again held the 2025 Livestock and Fish Expo, an event that showcases the revival of the livestock and fisheries sectors after several years of hiatus. Organized by the Department of Animal Husbandry and Fisheries of Ciamis Regency, the event highlights the region's leading potential while serving as a platform for promotion and public education. In his remarks, Regent Herdiat Sunaria expressed his gratitude and appreciation to all participants, sponsors, and the community who contributed to the success of the event. He recalled that the last expo was held around 5 to 6 years ago and expressed joy that it could finally take place again this year. The region emphasized that Xiaomi's main strength does not lie in large industries, but in agriculture, livestock, and fisheries. According to him, these three sectors possess tremendous natural potential and serve as the foundation for the region's economic development.
Wargi Tatar Galuh Ciamis, that is all for this week's news and latest information. I, Anissa Wida, as the presenter, and the crew on duty will see you again in Warta Ciamis in the next edition.